Hi, I'm Jalen with NXT Gen Hunting Blinds. In the following video, we're going to walk you through the process of assembling our hunting blinds. This video applies to both the Deluxe and Economy series in all sizes, with either bottom or side entry options. The assembly process of these blinds is fairly straightforward, but we do recommend having a second guide. The only tools you'll need are an impact driver, a level, and something to assist you in the leveling process, which might include a shovel or a saw. The blind we're setting up today is the 6-foot Deluxe model with a bottom entry on a pressure-treated wooden tower. Another nice feature of the NXT Gen Hunting Blinds is the portability and the ease of transport with just a pickup truck. One tip would be just lay your floor inside your roof, and that will keep your carpeting clean. The floor of these blinds are designed with a pocket where your 4x4 post simply drops in. You fasten those posts with 2 4-inch legs. You will need 2 different sizes of Torx bit, a T30 for your 4-inch legs and a T25 for the 3-inch screws. To prepare your X bracing, you'll want to take 2 of your 2x4s, align the ends using the provided measurements that are in the instruction sheet. Next, approximately in the center of the 2x4, you'll want to put a screw through both of your braces. What this does is make so that your spread on your legs is equal on all 4 sides. The next step is to fasten your X bracing to the post. When attaching the X bracing, give yourself approximately 1 inch between the corner of the bracing and the floor. This will allow clearance for your wall panel. The other end of the bracing is not critical, but keep in mind that you'll want to try to get these corners to align as close as possible. At this point, the base is completed and you're ready to flip it over. Before moving on with the next step of attaching your wall panels, it's best to try and get your platform as close to level as possible. You're now ready to assemble the wall panels. Begin by placing your first panel. Align the framing of the panel with the outside corner of the framing of the floor. Next, attach the panel to the floor, making sure that the panel's pulled in tight against the framing of the floor. With the first panel attached, you can now attach the second panel, making sure to align the top of the 2 panels and the outside corners, then screw the top of the panels together. With the top of the panels attached, move to the leading edge of your panel and place it approximately 1/16 inch back from the outside corner of your floor framing. This will allow equal spacing as you go around assembling the panels. With the leading edge fastened, now move back and attach the 2 panels together at the bottom. In the initial assembly process, you only need to fasten the 3 screws that we've shown so far. You can continue attaching panels until you have 2 panels remaining. With 2 panels left out of the blind, it's now time to hand up your roof. You can now place it on top of the panels, keeping it back out of the way of the last 2 remaining panels. Now install the last 2 panels. With all the panels attached, you can now slide your roof into position. Before attaching your roof, align one outside corner of the panels with the inside corner of your roof. With the outside corner aligned, place 1 screw into the roof. Now going directly to the opposite side, do the same thing. Align the outside corners. With the roof in position, you can continue attaching the roof while putting outward pressure on the joints of the panels. Now go around and put in all the remaining screws. The next step is to install the tension screws. Adjust your tension until you have the proper amount of tension to keep the window from closing with its own weight. The final step is installing the exterior trim pieces. We attach these with 8 screws at the top and bottom of each window and at the bottom of the blind. Attach the top of the trim first with 1 screw, then move to the bottom, place the bottom in its position, and attach both screws. You can now attach the remaining screws. Okay, this wraps up the assembly of our blind. You can expect this process to take 2 hours or less. And one thing we didn't cover in this video is anchoring the blind, which we recommend with the anchoring system of your choice. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to your nearest dealer or feel free to contact us directly.